Hello children and parents. I have a collection of books to show you which will be useful for your summer vacation which are about to be here now. I have collected some books for my son. I spent some time doing so and I'm making this video so that this may be more useful for other kids as well. Okay. So I'll show you the collection of books. These are not story books and they cover various aspects of let's say maths and science, which I hope will be enjoyed by you and your kids. And of course they will need your help, parents' help in studying or making things which are described in these books. Okay, let me start by showing you this book. John Allen, Drawing Geometry, a premier of basic forms for artists, designers and architects. So it's clearly not for small kids, but nevertheless, with some help of parents, kids can enjoy making at least some of the things, and as they grow up, and if these books are in their bookshelves, they will once in a while make something and learn certain things. Okay, so here let's see inside. Maybe we can go. Can you show the first page, Arif? Yeah. Okay, so let's look at the contents. You see, there's the content of this book, and yeah. So let's see here. For example, he shows a flower and how to get this using a compass. Okay. Maybe one more page with some flowers. Can you show? Yeah, that's another. So it has a square pattern, and he's telling how to make a square. And for example, here it's a regular 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 regular pentagon, and you see that flower which is a regular pentagon. So it has many nice such things, and I'm sure this book will be very useful for your kids if you put it in your library. That's the price. That's okay. So that's book number 1. Book number, so the age groups are quite different for each of these books, and let's say somewhere between 8 years to 18 years or even more, these will be useful. Okay. This is Toys and Tales with Everyday Materials by Tara Publishing. Okay, the previous one was by, okay, very difficult for me to pronounce the name. No, John Allen. From which publisher? Flores Books. Okay. Now this one is from Tara Publishing. Sudarshan Khanna, Geeta Wolf, and Anushka Ravishankar. This is a very interesting book. It's really thick pages, recycled paper, and instead of having printed material, they have cut and pasted. You see, these are really pasted here. All the images are pasted here. And let's see some how to use this book. Okay, what does it say? If you are below 12, okay, if you are 13 to 16. And then, yeah, so that's the table of contents. So there are lots of things which are given here which can be easily made by kids and with some help of parents. That's a nice book actually. This idea is very nice. You see, this is really pasted here, as you see. So many such things. Spinning, sardine. Okay, so this is one such book which you can have. That's the back cover. I'm not sure whether this is in print or not, but a very nice and interesting book. So if your kids have friends, they can sit together and make things. Okay, this is not really for kids, but slightly grown-ups. maybe around 15 should be good, I believe. This starts from the Big Bang, okay, and comes up to the modern time. So everything is covered here. It's a really nice book. It has a lot how coal is formed. Yeah. Okay. So there are many nice things here for kids. Then one book which is very interesting is book on origami and maths. Okay, origami and maths, simple to complex. This is by John Montrall, and I'm sure my son is going to enjoy this. You see, there are things which kids can learn here. This is slightly more advanced. You can make a rhinoceros, camel, and whatnot. What is the publishing house? Dover book. Okay, Dover Publications. Then there is another one, Origami in Action, Paper Toys That Fly, Flap, Gobble and Inflate by Robert Lang. Lang has written several books and some of them are very, very advanced. And honestly, I've not made anything out of, I've not made any of these. My son is going to hopefully make something. He was quite interested in origami few weeks back, so I brought these books. Okay, so this is the back page of the same book. Then you have slightly more advanced material, Making Moving Toys and Automata by Robert Reyes. Let me show. Can you help me, please? Okay, it's fine. Okay. This one, Making Mechanical Marvels in Wood by Raymond Levy. And yeah, that's the back side. This is not easy. One needs an adult to help. Okay, or something very interesting. Okay, another book on origami. This looks mind-blowing. Modular Origami, The Art of Polyhedral Paper Folding by Rhea, Loper. Okay, this is the back side, very interesting, and this is what it looks like. Okay. Another book that I found in the library is The Packaging Designer's Book of Patterns. This has, I don't know how many hundreds of designs of creating boxes and packaging materials. It's really nice. So my son enjoyed making some boxes out of this book. It was quite nice. And then we have a book on soap bubbles. This is a very classic book, and there are many things which you can learn. Not really for small kids, but nevertheless you can read and do some demonstrations for your kids. Okay, I hope that you will find some of these books interesting for yourself, and will make some things together with your kids. Bye bye.